the apprentice Barrio Reyes, War General fast to begin with F.R. Santos, and in second is Join the Saints with apprentice W.P. Beltran. And the fourth turn, it's now Join the Saints by about 3/4 of a length lead over War General. Last 400 meters, and it's still Join the Saints by only a head. Then coming closer at the outside is War General once again. And they are now entering the home stretch. Join the Saints and War General now matching their strides. Moving up on the outside, War General by a head. Down on the inside is Join the Saints. We have War General with F.R. Santos now by about a head over Join the Saints, and finally War General, Join the Saints.
Parehong gumagalaw pa lang eh.
Oo nga.